welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am part of a exciting new collab called Crockpot Palooza, where every Wednesday, the last Wednesday of every month for the rest of the year, me and several lovely ladies will be providing you with lots of crockpot recipes for you to enjoy. Yes, I am leaving a playlist down below with lots of new people for you to check out and their crockpot recipe videos. The hosts of this collab are Tiff from Small Town 6 and Jessica from My Rose Nature. Their channels will also be linked down below for you to check out and enjoy. So today my recipe that I am doing for August is a buffalo chicken chili. So yeah, it was really good. I've already made it and taste tested it, and yeah, it turned out excellent. So yeah, if you are new here, hi, my name is Jennifer. I mainly do lots of makeup material on my channel and subscription box unboxings, but I also throw in cooking videos here and there for you to enjoy. I also talk about mental health issues, as I myself am agoraphobic. So if you're interested in any of that, or say you're interested in all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become part of my channel. So I would just really appreciate that. So let's go ahead. I will definitely leave a recipe or all the ingredients and everything to this recipe down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get on to it. Okay, so all you need to do is set your crock pot to warm, and we have one package of chicken breasts. The one I have came with 3 large chicken breasts, and you want to put 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese on top, and then we are putting 1 cup of buffalo wing sauce. On top, we are putting 1 package of McCormick original chili seasoning in here. We are putting 1 can of whole kernel corn. That is a 15.25 ounce can. We are putting a can of clear chicken broth. That is a 10.5 ounce can. We are putting a can of diced tomatoes in. That is a 14.5 ounce can. And then we are putting a can of pinto beans in.
Is it all gonna fit?
Let's see. This is a 15.5 ounce can. It all fits.
All right.
Okay, then we are going to let that sit. Let's mix it around. Let's mix that chili seasoning in. And then we're going to let it sit on low for 6 hours. Okay, we will be right back.
Okay.
Okay, it has been 6 hours, so now we are going to fish the chicken out of here. And some of it has broken up, but that's okay. And we are going to shred it. Ready?
Go.
Okay, so I whisked the chili part up some to make it a little bit more creamier. So now we are putting the chicken part back in to the chicken chili. And working it all together. And we're gonna let it sit for another hour or so to let that chicken soak in to the chili. So we'll check on it again in another hour. Still on low. Okay, so here is our chicken, buffalo chicken chili, ready to go into the bowl here. And we are going to have my husband Aaron taste test it here in just a moment. You can top it with, before you test it, you can top it with blue cheese. You can serve it with tortilla chips. You can top it with avocados. You can top it with cheddar cheese, anything that you want to top it with. It's up to you, but yeah, here it is, all served up really pretty like. So yeah, let's get Aaron to taste it and see what he thinks. Okay.
And now I've got to eat the chili. It burns, it burns. No, it's really good. Very tasty. Blue cheese goes well with it.
Blue cheese goes good on it? Mm-hmm. Can you taste the buffalo?
Good blend of flavors. Excellent mouthfeel.
Can you taste the buffalo? Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it straight from the source.
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much for joining me today and doing this recipe. Like I said, the recipe will be down below if you choose to make this. If you like, we like ours kind of soupy, so if you don't want it that way, go ahead and drain all your canned items and it will come out a little less soupy for you. So that is another way you can do it. So come back, and if you tried this recipe and you liked it, go ahead and come back and leave a comment. If it looks good to you and you want to try it, leave a comment too. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I hope you're having a super amazing, fantastic day today. If you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have that kind of day today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I'm thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just remember to stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.